That night, Kiki only came for a cheap meal. Then the city showed him a choice.
Fear has a sound, even when no one listens. I worked all day just to afford one small dinner.
In a market full of noise, a poor puppy's quiet heart can disappear.
I'm used to being hungry, but I'm not used to walking away.
Hunger went silent when compassion spoke.
If I turn away, I can eat, but I won't be able to sleep.
Some doors don't ask for strength, only courage.
Go, go, go!
Hey, stop!
Kindness can be loud when it threatens profit.
He ran not to win, but to protect what he set free.
I'm poor, but I don't want anyone to live in fear.
In a hurried world, sometimes the poorest heart is the richest.